Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products and tools to enhance your DIY projects. Today, we've got something special for all you woodworking enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the Fulton DIY Table Saw Crosscut Sled Kit. This is hands down the best table saw sled available in the market, and I'm going to tell you why. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's get started. So, what's the Fulton DIY Table Saw Crosscut Sled Kit all about? Well, it's a fantastic kit designed for table saw owners who want to take their woodworking precision to the next level. Whether you need to make small cuts, cross cuts, or repetitive length cuts, this kit has got you covered. These are used as runners for your crosscut sled. They're slick, reduce friction, and won't expand or contract with weather changes. Made in the USA, these tracks are cut to length for the perfect sub-fence on your sled. These are for creating a simple stop block, allowing you to make repetitive cuts without constant measurements. This guide makes the sled building process a breeze, and you can customize the sled to fit your specific needs. The quality of this kit is outstanding. From the UHMW bars to the anodized aluminum tracks, everything is top-notch. Plus, it's made in the USA, so you know you're getting a high-quality product. The size of your sled can be tailored to fit your table saw. Whether you have a standard cabinet saw or a smaller job site saw, you can adjust the dimensions to match your requirements. Just make sure the UHMW bars fit your slot. Now, let's talk about the assembly process. Fulton has made it incredibly simple with this kit. The guide booklet provides step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. You don't need to be a woodworking pro to build your own crosscut sled. It's perfect for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about this kit. Yes, you will need to provide the wood material for your sled since this kit focuses on the hardware components. Also, please note that the bars do not fit Ryobi table saw track slots. In conclusion, the Fulton DIY Table Saw Crosscut Sled Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to improve the accuracy and versatility of their table saw. It's a cost-effective solution that offers high-quality components and an easy-to-follow guide. With this kit, you'll be able to create a custom crosscut sled tailored to your needs. And there you have it, folks, the best table saw sled on the market. If you're serious about woodworking and want to take your projects to the next level, the Fulton DIY kit is a game-changer. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing kit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, keep crafting, keep building, and keep creating amazing things.